Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm hoping you can hear me because obviously like mum and dad's house, they've got a motorway with it, so it might be loud, I don't know. But yeah, so obviously the last couple of days I have been keeping a bit quiet because I got a new exhaust system on my car, and I've swapped it over from a Cobra Venom to the new KMS, and I've had it installed actually at KMS, I'm not doing it myself, which the installation video will be up next. But yeah, I just want to show you the exhaust, and obviously this video has got all the noises, under bridges, drive-bys, pops, if we can get a pop out of it, I don't know, I've not even tried it yet. I just want to show you. So it's got the 4.5 inch tips and also the gloss black diffuser as well. So yeah, so make some noise, get it started up. Start her up! So that is the start. We let it warm up a little bit and then we're gonna, yeah. And a motorway above us, so let's just hope you can hear it. So this is under a bridge. We just pull forward outside the bridge, so I can show them that as well. So before any nasty comments about the door trims, just ignore it. It's been like that for 3 years now and I'm more than happy with it. So we're outside the bridge. This is mum and dad's road as well, so I've got to go down potholes all the time. Smoky today. Drive-bys and a few noises that Reese has kindly said he'll do for me. Kindly being the word that he loves to just rag my car whenever he wants to rag my car. Yeah, so KMS basically is an exhaust company based in Wigan who also do Reese's exhaust. So the section 18 that Reese has got is from KMS, and it is the only exhaust that Reese rates. Like, he will not have any other exhaust on his ST or RS. It's always been the KMS section 18, always. In regards to mine is the Hurricane, which has got the diffuser, 3-inch downpipe, and also the decat, which makes it sound amazing, as you can tell by the video. Yeah, and just put it out there, this is not a freebie, this is not a paid promotion, this is purely like because I like KMS and this is a really good exhaust. And I've wanted it an awful long time. So we're just going to go around a few corners for us and show us like how we should drive the car, or how I should apparently drive the Fiesta, should I say. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this exhaust because I love it so much. it just sounds so nice, and it's not droney. It's like, my Cobra on the motorway is awful. Everyone always has a headache, and I feel really sorry for like taking passengers out because it is just so droney. It's a good exhaust, don't get me wrong, but the KMS one is nowhere near as droney or as like annoying, if I can put it that way. And it's quiet when it wants to be quiet, and obviously loud when it wants to be loud. So yeah, 4K revs, bang on, bang on. Lovely area we've chosen to have. Any fishies? Oh, she's coming. Oh, she's not coming. About the best part of an hour to get a few drive-bys, we are going to end it there. This is just purely like the noises, not the actual video of the KMS whole system, everything, blah blah blah. This is just purely noise of the exhaust. And I do just want to always say a massive thank you to KMS for fitting it and getting it all done in one day, and also supplying the spark plugs, because I had a giant misfire that has now been sorted. So yeah, I'm absolutely over the moon with it. It is one of the, yeah, I'm just really happy. So, and you're happy too, aren't you? So happy. So yeah, I am going to leave it there. So keep liking, keep subscribing and commenting as nice as you can. And the next video is going to be up next week, which is a whole install process. Obviously going out in the Golf R, the RS7 they've got, and yeah, just keep your eyes out for it. Thanks guys.